If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2016 Jeep Cherokee Latitude in granite crystal metallic. With the Jeep 75th anniversary package, bronze grille surrounds, 18-inch bronze painted aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, bronze roof rails, dual bright exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 31,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3260A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.